If you still struggle with getting your wigs laid super flat like what you see on the screen, then this video is going to be for you. Now, if I can get this wig to look like this, then so can you. All you need is the right tool, the process, the technique, and you're good to go. Today we're going to be focusing on the tools. So hot comb. Okay, with hot combs, I've used quite a number of hot combs, and in this video I'm going to show you what I like and I dislike about these hot combs. So if you're interested, stay tuned. I'm going to also give you my recommendation. Now, this one, entry level, doesn't get hot. It's just going to waste your time. I don't know, like it only has an on and off button, and that's it. Just didn't do it for me. Price point is very affordable. You can get it if you're a beginner, but don't expect too much because it's not going to get as hot as you might like it. The next one is this beautiful black hot comb with a UK plug. Now this has extra 2 heat levels, but there's not really much difference between this and the first one, just that this one gets a little bit hotter. Now on to the next. Now this is the Andy's hot comb. This one gets really hot. I've actually bent a few laces using this hot comb. Now the only thing I don't like about this is it's very heavy, and then the handle is very slippery as well. Oh, and also I've accidentally regulated the heat setting while I wasn't aware of that, so that is also one thing that I don't like. And also the comb part is very thick. I mean, if you're a wig maker, you can relate to wanting a flat comb area. So if you don't mind handling something very heavy, this is actually a very good one. Now on to the next one. I know you have seen this particular hot comb redesigned in various colors with embellishments and all of that. This is what I currently use, and this is what I would recommend, and here's why. This comes with an adapter. It has an anti-slip technology. The comb area is very flat. It gets hot in 30 seconds, up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit or 260 degrees Celsius. Now this also has 20 different heat levels, and it auto shuts off after an hour. So what are you waiting for? This is available on my website for 350 cedis, and it comes with a mini tutorial to help you to properly and efficiently use it. Click the link in the